We have a Haas Super Mini Mill Vertical Machining Center, serial number 11173666. Machine was new in 2014. We're running right now. Machine has a Haas control. You have 36 inches of 12 by 36 table with 16 inches of X travel, 12Y and 10Z, 10,000 RPM spindle, 15 horsepower. You have a Cat 40 tool, and you have a 10 tool capacity in the tool changer. Again, that is a 36 by 12 inch table with 16 inches of X travel. Right now we are running at what RPM? 3,000 RPM. Machine also has programmable coolant, P-Cool, with a high flow coolant pump. 6,000 RPM. Machine also has rigid tapping and quick code for simulating a tool change. A second, third. All right. I'm going to jog it around for you a little bit. That's the X. This machine's original paint, very clean. Your Y. And your Z axis travel. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.